Welcome back, traders, to another trading week. I'm just going to be going through the analysis for GBPJPY to see what is going on. First of all, starting with the weekly, we can see that is in a bullish momentum, is going upwards. Previous weeks, we did have some dojis in decision where the candles where the price was rejecting this area were rejected in August time, and in September it dropped down. What has happened last week, it has broke out of this area and it has closed above this resistance that was here. Maybe this week we can see the price going all the way up till, let's say, 144. um is a nice clean candle on this on the left hand side, so maybe we can reach that area. But it's very far-fetched because first of all we got this week that we need to break in order to keep going up. Looking at the daily, what we can see is again, weekly is bullish, so the daily is bullish as well. Overall, for eyes we can see that is going upwards. Okay, so looking into it, what we can see is it was consolidating over here, so it did make a higher high, then higher low, then higher high, then higher low. Yeah, it went up, made a higher high, kind of rejected it, and then it broke out, and now it has made a higher low over here, and it has double topped over here. Looking at 4 hour, it would make a lot more sense. Let's look at this. These lines, if you're wondering, these are just psychological levels. 140, OO levels, 200, 500, and 800. I did have the 200 level as well, but that's decided to disappear, so I'm just going to bring that back. Okay, there you go. Okay, so let's see. What we need to do is, so we have established that our overall trend is bullish. Then what we can do is draw our support and resistance. Last time price rejected over here, rejected again, rejected, and now it's rejecting around this area. So we can say, let's just do a close to the rejection areas, and then we got our previous support over here. So we got resistance there, we got our support over here, and the next level of support, if this breaks, is over here. But our bias is bullish, so the best option would be to go ahead and look for buys instead of sells. Sells maybe up till here, because let's say, okay, this is one of the areas that's been respected in the past, respected as support, and then resistance again, and then support over here. So this is one of the areas where the price could potentially come down to. What we are going to be doing is looking for, if the price breaks above here, there are a lot of wicks to the side on the left hand side, so it could reject back down. So the best option would be to focus on the psychological area, which is 140 to 200, and see if we could get a 4 hour candle close above here. And then what we can do is we can wait for the price to, let me just see what color it gives me. I want it to be red. Okay, price to go above, break above, come down, retest over here, and then we can wait for it to keep going up. This is the scenario that we can look out for. On the 30-minute time frame, what we can do is, let's see, I'm just going to check if there is enough range to see if we can take any buys from here all the way till there. So 18, so it's only 10 pips. It's only 10 pips. Not enough range for us to take our buys. Let's see our sells again. A lot of rejections to this area. We got like bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. It's a mess over here. Looking for sells is kind of a mess. So for lower risk, low reward, what we can do is we can wait for price to close above here. maybe retest, and then we can look for buys. We can even swing buys. That's what I'm thinking. For sells, it would be better for the price to maybe close below here, and then we can go for sells. But looking at 4 hour, um, we have got like higher, higher, higher low, like I said before, and it's very unlikely for the price to come down here and go past this area, because this area has been respected before. Over here, it has been respected. Even this area over here has been respected. So the best option for us to be wait for buys to play out, for the candles to close above here, wait for retest, and then we can look for buys either on the 4 hour, or you can look on 1 hour, 30 minutes time frame. But right now, is a mess. Better to wait for the price to develop.